Welcome back to Stock Smarts, your trusted source for personal finance tips. Today, we're counting down the top 10 cheapest places to retire. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Costa Rica's Central Valley. Imagine waking up to the sounds of nature surrounded by lush rainforests and breathtaking mountain views. You can live comfortably here for around $1,500 to $2,000 a month. Coming in at number 9 is Boquete, Panama. This charming town is a hidden gem in the Chiriquí province, known for its breathtaking scenery and vibrant community. Nestled in the highlands, Boquete offers cool, crisp mountain air and stunning natural landscapes. The region is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. You could spend your days hiking through lush cloud forests and exploring hidden waterfalls. The trails are well marked and offer varying levels of difficulty, making them accessible for everyone. The town offers charming cafes, restaurants, and shops. Whether you're looking for a cozy spot to enjoy a cup of locally grown coffee or a unique boutique to find handmade crafts, Boquete has it all. The cost of living is very reasonable, with many expats living comfortably on $1,400 to $1,800 a month. This affordability makes it an attractive destination for retirees and digital nomads alike. Panama also has attractive tax incentives for retirees. These financial benefits, combined with the welcoming community and beautiful surroundings, make Boquete a top choice for those looking to relocate. At number 8, we head to the beautiful island of Penang, Malaysia. Penang is a melting pot of cultures reflected in its incredible food scene. It boasts stunning beaches, lush rainforest, and a vibrant culture. The cost of living is very affordable, with many expats living comfortably on $1,300 to $1,700 a month. That includes rent, food, transportation, and entertainment. Malaysia has an efficient and affordable healthcare system. Coming in at number 7 is Cuenca, Ecuador. Cuenca offers stunning colonial architecture, a rich history, and a vibrant culture. It's a very walkable city, great for retirees who want to stay active. Many expats live comfortably on $1,200 to $1,600 a month. That includes rent, groceries, utilities, and healthcare. Plus, Ecuador uses the US dollar, so no currency exchange worries. At number 6, we have Dumaguete in the Philippines, often called the City of Gentle People. Dumaguete is known for its welcoming and friendly people. It offers pristine beaches, stunning coral reefs, and lush waterfalls. You can live comfortably here for as little as $800 a month. That includes rent, food, transportation, and entertainment. English is widely spoken, making it easy for expats to adjust. Halfway through our list, at number 5 is Da Nang, Vietnam. Da Nang offers a blend of modern amenities and natural beauty. You can find modern apartments with stunning ocean views for a fraction of the cost in North America. The cost of living is as low as $1,000 a month. Vietnam has a very affordable healthcare system. Enjoy your retirement without worrying about money. At number 4, we have Medellin, Colombia, often called the City of Eternal Spring. Nestled in the Abura Valley, this city is surrounded by lush mountains and enjoys a mild climate that makes it a perfect destination for those looking to escape extreme weather conditions. The weather in Medellin is perfect year-round, with temperatures averaging between 63 Fahrenheit and 82 Fahrenheit. This consistent climate allows for a variety of outdoor activities, from hiking and biking to simply enjoying a coffee at one of the many outdoor cafes. Medellin is now a vibrant hub of culture, innovation, and gastronomy. The city hosts numerous cultural events and festivals throughout the year, showcasing its rich history and modern creativity. Street art adorns many neighborhoods, adding a colorful and dynamic vibe to the city. The cost of living is surprisingly low, with many expats living comfortably on $1,300 to $1,800 a month. Houses are really cheap. That includes rent, food, transportation, entertainment, and healthcare. The public transportation system is efficient and affordable, making it easy to get around the city. Healthcare facilities are modern and accessible, providing quality care at a fraction of the cost compared to other countries. The people in Medellin are incredibly welcoming. Known for their warmth and hospitality, the locals are always ready to help newcomers settle in and feel at home. You'll feel right at home in no time. The city boasts a diverse community of expats and locals, creating a rich tapestry of cultures and experiences. Whether you're looking to retire, work remotely, or simply explore a new place, Medellin offers a unique and fulfilling lifestyle. Coming in at number 3 is Chiang Mai, Thailand. Chiang Mai offers stunning ancient temples, lush jungles, vibrant night markets, and delicious food. You can enjoy all of this for around $1,000 a month. That includes rent, food, transportation, entertainment, and healthcare. Thailand has a well-respected healthcare system. It's a popular destination for digital nomads and retirees alike. At number 2, we have Lake Chapala, Mexico. This stunning lake is the largest in the country and is surrounded by picturesque towns and villages that offer a unique blend of Mexican culture and modern amenities. Lake Chapala offers stunning natural beauty and a well-established expat community. The lake's serene waters and lush landscapes make it a perfect destination for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. There are social clubs, activities, and events for English-speaking retirees. These communities provide a sense of belonging and numerous opportunities to make new friends and engage in various hobbies and interests. Many expats live comfortably on $1,200 to $1,800 a month. This budget covers all essential expenses, allowing for a comfortable and enjoyable lifestyle. That includes rent, food, transportation, entertainment, and healthcare. The local markets offer fresh produce and goods, while the public transportation system is efficient and affordable. Lake Chapala is close to the United States, making it easy to visit family and friends. Frequent and affordable travel routes ensure that staying connected with loved ones is convenient. Enjoy breathtaking views of the lake and surrounding mountains. The sunsets over Lake Chapala are particularly spectacular, offering a perfect end to a day in this beautiful region. Costs than many home countries. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 10 cheapest places to retire. Retirement is about choosing a place that brings you joy and peace. Thanks for tuning in to Stock Smarts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on personal finance and investing.